How to change TikTok username before 30 days. So if you want to change your TikTok username before 30 days, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. Now after opening your TikTok, you can go to the bottom right corner which has your profile, and then you can go to edit profile. And now here you will have your username, so you can simply tap on your username and you can see that it is saying you can change your username once every 30 days. So within 30 days you can't change your username, but I have an alternative option. You can simply go back, and if you scroll down, here you will have report a problem option. You can simply tap on that, and now on the search bar you have to search for username, and here after searching you will have unable to change username. You can simply tap on that, and now tap on no, and then you will have need more help. Tap on that, and now you have to tell your feedback, like you have to say that I want to change my username, and I'm facing some problem changing my username and all of that. And then you can also upload your screenshots, and after that you can simply tap on submit, which is here, and within 1 or 2 days TikTok will take action on that. So that's it. That's how you change your username within 30 days. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.